Yelp Business Login, how to log into Yelp as a business. Now, to log into Yelp as a business, you can download the Yelp Biz or Yelp for Business app, or if you're on the normal Yelp app itself, you can also log into Yelp Business by coming to more option from the bottom right, going to the option called Explore Yelp for Business, and there you can see the option called Log into your business account, where you can enter your email, password, and log into your business account. But on the other hand, you can specifically use the Yelp for Business application, specifically designed for business users. So open the Yelp for Business app as well, and over here you can simply enter the email address and the password of your Yelp Business account, then tap on log into my account. In case you happen to forget your email or password, you can tap on the forgot email or password button in order to be able to reset it. That's all it takes for us to log into our Yelp Business account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.